one speaker center of this AC here, and other one will be last AC green between here, two speaker, and one will be between that to that, exactly in the center sound. So we'll make proper measurement and we'll put it.
This is the zone 1 we have completed, and we have installed the 4 speakers and 2 amplifiers. This is the amplifiers. Now we are going to start zone 2.
Inside, sir, the one speaker will come here in the center here, so sound will go out, and then from this line, so 3 speaker will be on a straight line in the center, 3 and 1 4, and all the wire will go out.
All the speakers are working properly. There are 2 zones, 4 speaker in one zone and 4 speaker in other zone.